Hi, my name is...
Go ahead, keep going. Do it again.
I'm coming. All right, hold on.
That's what she said. Hey, Rainbow here, and welcome to my channel. Today it's going to be a little bit different. What we're going to do is we're going to talk to someone that likes to ride on the back of this particular Ducati Multistrada V4 Pikes Peak. As a matter of fact, she loves to ride on the back of a lot of motorcycles. It's kind of her thing. And she is a Ducati fan, but she's also an Indian fan, which is pretty cool because I too am an Indian fan. So let's say hello to Molly and give her a little talking.
Hi, my name is Molly, and I have been riding on the back of motorcycles as a pillion for over 15 years now, and it is one of my favorite things to do. I've ridden on probably about 4 different motorcycle brands. I've ridden on the back of sport bikes, Harleys, and this thing behind me. As far as comfort and being a pillion, really there's nothing different between the V4S and the V4 Pikes Peak. What I like about being a pillion and riding on the back of this motorcycle in particular is the comfort level, how easy it is to go through turns. You can really move with the rider really easily, so you don't feel constricted or you have to be in a specific position. Always you want to make sure that you're not moving without the rider knowing. However, the comfort and going through all those twists and turns is unbeatable. As far as the pillion pegs go, in comparison to sport bikes that I've been on, this is a lot more comfortable. I feel like on a sport bike, I'm kind of scrunched up a bit more, and with these, I have a lot more leg room. I don't feel like I'm getting cramps in my legs because I'm not having to be in one particular position for too long of a period of time. As far as the seat goes, the seat is very comfortable on this bike. I don't feel like I have any back pain from being in that position. I've been on probably rides that have been a little over 2 hours long at this point, and no issues at all. And that's just, yeah, we'll just leave it there. As far as the seat goes, the seat is way more comfortable than any sport bike that I have been on. Sport bikes, you're up much higher, and I feel like I'm towering over the rider in front of me. With this, it's at a really good position, so I'm still at a decent eye level to keep an eye on traffic, cars, people crossing the street, in case anything happens, but this is definitely more comfortable than previous bikes I've been on. So that's my quick take on being a pillion. As far as this bike goes, even though it's big, it's still really nimble. It makes for a great ride and something I look forward to every day.
So that's it. You heard directly from Molly, an experienced pillion, passenger on motorcycles. And as far as my position, as far as the driver, the rider on this bike, I prefer not to have a pillion because you don't have to worry about the responsibility of someone else. And of course the bike, is just so nimble, you feel like you can push it a little bit more. But the good thing is that you have the ability with this bike to take somebody out and go and do some long distances, and it works extremely well. Anyway, this is Rainbow. Please like, please subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Thank you very much, and have a good day. Bye-bye.